I got all the video, y'all can see. Hey, you doing no hand. Oh my God. Yeah, I've seen that on Facebook, yeah.
Now, is this going to be a good weld or a bad weld?
I am terrible. I am terrible. Chinese. Musselman.
Can I weld under a brick? Yes! Yes! Special kind of brick. Fire brick. Okay? Let's let this chill out a bit here and let's see if this is a good weld.
That is a decent weld. That thing is hot.
Yeah, don't touch it.
Evan, $50 if you touch that.
That's
50
awesome.
bucks?
No,
Yeah.
Hey, you
With
already,
your tongue.
you already know how to do this.
Yeah, put your tongue on it.
50 bucks.
50 bucks.
All right, watch yourself for this slag.
Hey!
Feel good?
Damn, that's tough. Oh. Hey! I'm deaf now. What the? No way. No.
It's V-shaped, isn't it? Because I